Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting. Yes, it's going to be super exciting because I am finally trying something I've always wanted to do. What? Flying of drone. Yes, today I'm finally going to fly drone. I've never flown a drone in my entire life before, so today being the first time me coming to fly a drone, I think it's going to be very awesome. It's going to be very interacting. So guys, please join me. Let's fly this drone together. This is it, the battery. This is the drone, the battery. I reset it, guy, but it should be on a level ground. This is the controller, and I have to connect my phone to it before I can see what is going on. You get it? All right, so there is a switch here. Okay, so there is a switch here. You see it's on. All right, let it be here. And also with this one, I have to calibrate it. All right, on my Wi-Fi to connect it. This is a Holy Stone drone. Yes, Holy Stone drone. So I have to connect it with a Wi-Fi. It deals with Wi-Fi connection. So the connection is done. So the next thing is I have to open the app, the Holy Stone app here. So after that, so what this one says, all right. Okay, so this one is vertical. So now the drone is ready to take off. The drone is ready to take off. So I do. Right, there's the drone.
Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did. 'Cause you were the devil, you messed with my head. You lied to my mother, you lied to my friends. You said that you'd be there, that this never ends. Not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside. I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head.